The qaf is a heavy letter. After waw there is mad alif, light mad. Okay, so the ayah is
من ثقلت موازينه
thaqulat or thaqulat?
ثقلت.
Yes. Perfect.
Can you explain the end? Why zinuhu? What is the significance of this wow?
This is
mad.
waw mad.
So even if you stop, you have to use the wamad.
No. Wazinu. It goes like that. This
No.
one, after the word, it works only if you match to next word. So it
Yeah.
goes like, if you match, فأما من ثقلت موازينه فهو في موازينه فهو في. But if you stop, as you're gonna do in the ayah, it becomes موازينه.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I got a mistake.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if you stop at mad, need to continue the mad, or we make it sukun.
Depends on the mad. Depends on the mad situation and where it is exactly. But right here, you said وما أدراك. This is mad indication, mad for حركة. But this is two words here. So if I stop in the first word, there will be no for mad حركة. So وما, that's it. Okay.